how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger, step by step, and start fresh. In this video, I'll guide you through deleting a WordPress website from your Hostinger account and starting over from scratch. Let's begin. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Once logged in, access the website dashboard you want to delete. There are two ways to do this. Method 1. In the left menu, click on Websites. This will show a list of all your websites. Find the website you want to delete and click on the Dashboard button next to it. Method 2. Same with the first method. Just log in and it will redirect you to the same page. But here, you will navigate to the right container. Scroll down to the Hosting section under Widgets and click on Websites under your web hosting plan. For instance, I'm on a business web hosting plan with 4 websites. Hover over the website you want to delete and click on it to go directly to its dashboard. Now, let's delete the website. In the left navigation menu, scroll down and find Website. Hover over it and select Auto Installer. This will take you to the Auto Installer page. Under Installed Applications, locate the website you want to delete. Hover over the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Delete. To completely remove the website, check all 3 options: Delete Application, Delete Installation Files, and Delete Database. Before proceeding, let me quickly show you the website I will delete. Once you're ready, click the Delete button. The deletion process takes just a few seconds. Afterwards, refresh the Auto Installer page, and you'll see that the website is completely removed. Let's also refresh the website itself. As you can see, the page is no longer accessible. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. In my next video, I'll show you how to set up a new website on Hostinger and start fresh. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.